Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will learn about the offset tool and revision clouds. Well, the offset tool creates parallel copies of lines, polylines, circles, arcs, and so on. In order to create a parallel copy of an object, we must define the offset distance and then we select the object. Let's see it by creating a specific geometry. Here we have a rectangle. Now we go to the option of fillet, we select a radius and then these two corners. In order to avoid the haste of selecting again and again, we can simply press the space bar and the last command would be activated again. Now we click on offset and then we will specify an offset value. Now we can select the entire geometry like this. We can create it outside or inside as per our requirement. Now let's create another layer. Here I have given it a specific name. From here we can give any other type of line. I choose this one. Now I will select the center one, go to the layers option and select this layer. Now we have something like a racetrack. You can see with these options we simply created this racetrack in just a couple of steps and commands. Next is the revision cloud. There are different types. First one is a rectangular cloud. It is in the shape of rectangle-like structure. It is used to highlight any specific part of a drawing. Then we have this type. We simply click at different positions and by pressing the enter button, we complete the cloud. And then we have this freehand. We click one time, we hover, slide and move the cursor at any position. A cloud would be followed by it. And then once we click the initial point, the command would automatically be completed. So this was all about this session where we have learned how to use the offset tool where we can create the parallel copies of a geometry. And then we saw how to create the revision clouds, which are used to highlight any specific areas of a drawing. See you in next session. Till then, take care.